to license it.
Meep, meep.
Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a Hot Wheels Rivited in green with tacky flame decals. The interesting thing about this model is that it is a plastic body. I don't remember seeing one like this before, and the details are not really sharp on here. They're not bad, but they're not really crisp and clear. So there could be a couple of things that I'm going to try different on this project. Stick with me and see what I do. It's a metal base on this car, and it's actually strong and heavy, but the rivets are even plastic, so it didn't take much excavating to get through the flange on those. So I wonder what we'll find inside the riveted model. Off it comes. Nice base. Not too much wear and tear. It's not a very old model, really. Now here's one long, cheap plastic, chromy looking interior with the engine that comes up through the hood. Plastic. Blacked out windshield, front and back. It's in pretty good condition. Okay, so what can we do with that? The decals have to go. But we're back into the bench vise to swap out the drill bit to a 1mm and drill out. These are plastic. Look at it fly. Whoa. So there's no resistance there at all, and a couple of test screws in the M2 size. All good. And I'll leave those in. Everything gets gathered up and put in one dish so I don't lose any parts throughout the day. And because it's a plastic body, there is no paint stripping involved in this job. The decals came off with a little bit of nail polish remover very quickly and easily. And I'm just scrubbing up the rest of the bits now so they're safe and sanitary to handle. Looking for any imperfections. That windshield looks pretty good. In German, AcceleRacers is vinegar cleaner from the kitchen cabinet, and this is an experiment to clean the base of the model. Total investment about $1.50, and this will last me forever. So for lime or rust or calcium, of course vinegar is a natural solvent, and look at that. All I did was brush it on and left it for 4 or 5 minutes, and that looks as nice as new. And here's my main experiment today. Plastic interior with the engine, and I've got the finest drill bit. I don't even know what size that is because it's so small my eyes can't read it. And I don't have a Dremel at the moment. One's on order, and my power drill had a little bit more grunt than I needed. But I've bored out 8 tiny holes. What am I going to do? Well, couple of lead wires go in here. And once that's all done, we're just faking you out with a little bit of engine detail. Why not? They're a little long at the back for now. I'll clip them off when I see how that fits back into the main body. And while I detail the rest of the engine parts that show, as well as the seats that you'll never see because of the blacked out windshield, let me tell you that the Rivited is a Hot Wheels original design, and it was introduced in the AcceleRacers line in 2005. The car is named after rivets. A rivet is a short metal pin or a bolt that permanently fastens plates of metal or other types of materials. I think it kind of looks like a Ford Mustang, albeit slimmed down somewhat. And the car has a header and intake add-ons that I'm working on at the moment. And mine is a 2011 model that was originally sold in the Police Pursuit 5-pack. It was a fine, glorious day, so I did the priming and the painting with a spray can outside. And it's a white finish paint job, and this is a very fine wet dry sandpaper, and I'm going over it after the first coat of white paint, and this takes off any imperfections and high spots and any rough marks. And I'm just being careful here to get the edges and there's inside the window trim. And then I masked it off, also off camera, and did a two-tone paint job, the spoiler and the rear window frame. And the decals I have chosen, you pick whatever you want. It's all kind of a red on white theme, and so I thought, all right, let's go Monster Energy Drink. And these are clear water slide decals. They're very fragile to work with, so you get lucky or you don't. And it's been dried up and clear coated. And there's the first fit on that engine. I had to file out a little bit more width just to get those wire leads in there, but you can hardly tell it was modified. If you're enjoying this video, I invite you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my new channel and hit the notification bell. Always happy to read your respectful comments that you leave below, and most interested to find out where you're from. I'm in Switzerland, and it's interesting in this online hobby community to find out where everybody else is. So add that to your comments if you would. That'd be fun. Let's have a closer look now. Ultimately, I did decide to swap out the wheels and put a set of brand new red lines on. And I like the way the engine turned out, don't you? It's Monster Energy motif on the top, and it's car number 45 because it's Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeover number 45, so I thought that was fitting. Here's what we started with this morning. Just kind of ugly and plain. And now it's ready to race. I had fun trying some new things on this project. I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll give it a thumbs up if you did. Come on back real soon. It's coffee time.